Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. Today we're going to be working with the Meant to Be palette by Colourpop. I haven't heard a lot about this palette. I don't know if people are scared to buy it or just like don't want to review it, or I don't know, but I'm about to. So we're going to go in first with Get Fresh, which is this light green. It's the first shade in the palette. It's like a gray green. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see like a little bit better like what I'm doing. Alright, so let me put my mirror up. So this is Get Fresh. Oh, okay. I get some more. First I'm gonna tap it in. I'm gonna tap it on my whole lid, just to get the color down. I think we'll come up with a really pretty look though. Like, I could do this. It's interesting. Okay, let's tap this down. It kind of low-key like disappears on my skin tone a little bit. Like, it's there of course, but like it's like, I don't know. We're gonna take a smaller fluffy brush, still fluffy, and we're gonna go in with Ice Cold because I want to make that like the kind of like the main. This is gonna darken up the look. Ooh, very powdery. See, I'm doing that. Like, let me see. Stop focusing on my face, camera. So I'm doing that, and it's like this. So I'm just gonna take that and put that on the outer corner. Definitely don't do your foundation before you use this eyeshadow because there is fallout. It reminds me of the Bad Habit palettes I use, but the pigmentation is there, so it's fine. I forgive you, Colourpop. This is my first time using Colourpop, so shall be interesting. We'll just do that in the inner corner and the outer corner. I'm just tapping it in because I don't want to lose the color. And I don't know if I will if I start blending it. So like that, we're just gonna do that. Do the same thing on the other side. The pigment is definitely there, so I like it. I don't mind powdery, not powdery, but palettes that have a lot of fallout. Like, honestly, like, it doesn't deter me from buying a palette or like judging a company. Like, I don't mind. I'm not that person's like, oh my god, it has so much fallout. Like, who cares? Like, it's affordable. There's nothing to complain about. But I'm loving this color. I'm gonna blend a little bit because I need to. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. I think I need some more, a little bit more up here. So that's what we're looking like. I'm just gonna drag this color above my crease, like right under my brow bone, kinda. Just a little bit. I definitely can't blend the color a lot because you lose the pigment if you blend it too much. I think this would be better if you went in with like a smaller brush, but definitely it's better to pack these colors because a little bit patchy, just a little bit. Alright, so I think we'll stop there with that. So this is what we're looking like so far. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but it will get better. Alright, now we're going to do Minty, which is this shimmer shade right here on my finger. I just feel like oop, and I oop. That's intense. I'm gonna bring it all the way up. Just using my finger and bring that all the way up. That's pretty. Same thing on the other side. This is my first time like wearing like green eyeshadows also. I will make this work. no matter what. Alright, we're gonna go back in with that big blending brush we used the first time. I wish there was like a better like transition shade. I'm just gonna blend that out on the top. We don't want the eyeshadows to look too harsh. Like, it's kind of weird using green under my brow bone, but that's all we got. I just want to use this palette to create this look. So that's what we're gonna use. Doesn't look too bad. And now we're gonna go in with glitter. Now this is the Miss Metals glitter. If you haven't heard of it, it's a Super Shock shadow. So nice. I'm using the color called Pinkaboo. I don't know where you're gonna be able to find these colors at, but something like this will work. So I rub it in between my fingers. I'm just gonna tap it. Rip at that shimmer and look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty with the glitter. I mean, it's pretty well with the glitter, but the glitter just adds that, you know, it heightens the look. All right. We're gonna go with the same brush where we used the dark shade. I'm just gonna put some on my lower lid. Oh, I think I need to grab some more. Alright. I like how the packaging is plastic though. That's nice. Take that dark green and blend it into the top shadow. I put way too much, but that's fine. Just whoop, and I whoop. Put some right here. Ooh, it's looking so pretty right now. We're gonna do some eyeliner. I'm using the Amuse liquid eyeliner. It's a felt tip. We're not gonna do like a big line. Let's just keep it subtle. So I'm actually gonna go down instead of doing it like an up, like wing. There's a small little baby wing. If you're wondering why the rest of my makeup is like already done, actually let's just do the wing. Screw it. My makeup's already done because I've been filming other makeup looks before this, so I have to just wipe off the eyes and I'm not good at eyeliner at all. So if you're like, oh my god, her eyeliner looks so bad, like, I know it looks bad, okay? I don't need you to tell me. Believe me, I know. Actually, I think we'll just keep the eyeliner like that. I'm not gonna drag it all the way across. I'm just gonna finish the wing off right here. And fix it right here. I'm not gonna drag it all the way across. So I want to keep this look kind of soft. See, that's pretty. And now we're gonna do mascara. I actually have mascara on, but I accidentally went over it with my foundation. So I'm just gonna make it black again. Before we do bottom lashes, we're gonna put more glitter on the bottom. The wand. Ooh, I'm telling you, like, these suspenders glitter like alcohol or something. It burns when you put it on. Like the fumes from it, it's like right into your eyeball. Oof. And whoop. Ooh, burns. We're actually gonna go back into that Meant to Be palette. And I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna Play It Cool, which is like the silver, but it has a green like shift to it. I'm just gonna, right there. Oh, now that's gorgeous. That's pretty. I mean, you can see that, like, that's gorgeous. Okay. That's pretty. Oh, wow. Alright, what was I doing? Oh yeah, mascara. I'm a scatterbrain. Okay. We're gonna go on with mascara and a lower lash. I always get mascara at the bottom. Just ignore that. I'll fix it right now. At least the best I can. Good enough. Alright, let me zoom out. I just dropped the palette. Alright, let me zoom out. So, this is the look I came up with. I think it's cute. I dig it. I mean, if you see me walking down your street, you'd be like, oh wow, that's pretty. Let me go closer so you guys can see. That's gorgeous. That's pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this tutorial using this green eyeshadow, which I never do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys. Bye.